Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Longzhou Machinery. Now I'm going to introduce to you our 250 kilowatts wood pallet machine. And as you can see that the machine from Longzhou Machinery, model number XGJ850, capacity 324 tons per hour, and electric motor 250 kilowatts. The machine weight 13 tons. And our pallet machine unit applied the CE certified. And the very important thing is this pallet machine we fit with the PLC touch screen on the electric control panel. And you can see very clear about this the PLC that it shows the screw fitting conveyors, the pallet machine unit, and the fan blower and dust collector, and the grease lubricating, automatic lubricating system for the roller bearings. And this machine with automatic start and stop. And you can have a look at this watch, the volts and ampere, and frequency feeding conveyor device. And from the back side of the electric control panel, the CE certified electric motor. And this one with the automatic air cooling system for gear reducer and main shaft bearings. You can see these pipes.